Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we will show you how to remove the windshield trim on Mercedes W204. If you have a W204, guys, the generation from 2008 to 2015, and you're wondering, okay, how to remove that windshield trim right here. If you need to install a new windshield, if you need to replace the trim, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. It's not very complicated, but you have to do it right, otherwise you might cause some damage. Left and right side will be identical, so stay with us and we're going to show you, okay, how to do it. So we need to get a plastic removal tools, like plastic panel removal tools. And usually you're going to start, okay, on this side right here. With the plastic ones you're not going to damage the paint, but still be very careful not to actually, okay, scratch it and pry on it too much. You need to go under the seal, okay, right here, and we'll need to start prying. Okay, we got one clip out, so I'm going to get the bigger tool right here. Okay, careful around the cap here. Okay, a few more. You still cannot pull it out because it goes under the rear glass. Okay, right here. So now what we can do, you can actually, okay, pull it like that. And I'm going to show you where all the clips are in just a second. Okay, we still have a few more to go. Okay, here it's a little bit tight. Okay, perfect. Here we have two more that came out already. Okay, here you have to be careful never to pry on the windshield, because if you pry on the windshield, okay, you might break it. So, okay, it comes out of the way, just like that. Now let me show you where all the clips are. Okay, check it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 5, 6. So you can see how many clips we have. So that's how you remove that trim piece, the windshield and the roof trim piece, guys. If you need to install a new windshield or anything like that. The other side is identical to this one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.